Monkey has a problem. A very serious problem. Monkey is standing outside the biggest banana shop in the jungle. Inside is the Mega Banana Supreme. Golden, perfectly ripe, covered in honey. Only 100 leaves. Monkey checks wallet. 1 leaf. Monkey checks the other pocket. Nothing. Monkey sighs. No leaves, no banana. Then Monkey remembers something. A shiny leaf card. Monkey taps the card. Beep! Banana acquired. Monkey walks away smiling. The shop owner got paid. Monkey got the banana. Everybody looks happy. But wait, Monkey only had 1 leaf. So who actually paid for the banana? And why do so many monkeys end up buried under mountains of debt because of 1 little card? Let's find out. In monkey world, leaves are money. Everything costs leaves. Bananas, coconuts, tree houses, even banana smoothies. Normally, buying something is simple. Monkey gives leaves, shop gives bananas. End of story. But sometimes, monkey wants bananas today without having enough leaves. That's where the leaf card comes in. A credit card lets monkey borrow leaves from the monkey bank. Instead of spending monkey's own leaves, monkey temporarily spends the bank's leaves. When monkey buys a banana worth 100 leaves, the monkey bank immediately pays the banana shop. The shop doesn't have to wait. It already has its money. Now monkey owes 100 leaves to the monkey bank, not to the banana shop. Think of it like borrowing your friend's ladder. Using it isn't the problem. Forgetting to return it is. At the end of every month, the monkey bank adds up everything monkey bought. Bananas, coconuts, banana ice cream, maybe a banana-shaped hammock. Then the bank sends monkey a bill. Dear monkey, you borrowed 500 leaves. Please pay them back. Monkey usually gets several weeks to return the leaves. This is called the grace period, and it's one of the best things about credit cards. If monkey pays back every single leaf before the deadline, the bank charges nothing extra. No interest, no hidden cost. Monkey borrowed leaves for free. Sounds amazing, but there's a catch. Monkey loves shopping. 1 banana becomes 5. 5 becomes 10. Monkey buys golden bananas, chocolate bananas, a banana fountain, banana sunglasses. Monkey keeps tapping the leaf card because it feels easier than handing over real leaves. Eventually, the bill arrives. Monkey opens the envelope. Monkey owes 2,000 leaves. Monkey checks wallet. 43 leaves. Uh-oh. Monkey can't pay everything. The monkey bank smiles, because now it's time for interest. Interest is simply the cost of borrowing leaves. Imagine monkey borrowed 100 leaves. The bank says, if you don't pay us back on time, you owe us 10% extra. Instead of returning 100 leaves, monkey now owes 110. Those extra 10 leaves are the bank's payment for lending monkey its money. Borrowing isn't free. Someone always pays. Usually monkey. But the real danger is something called compound interest. Suppose monkey still doesn't pay next month. The bank doesn't charge interest on the original 100 leaves anymore. It charges interest on 110. Then next month, interest is charged on the even bigger amount. Monkey's debt starts growing by itself, even if monkey never buys another banana. It's like rolling a tiny snowball down a hill. At first, it's small. Then suddenly, it's enormous. That's why credit card debt becomes so difficult to escape. Now monkey wants a leaf card for the first time. Monkey walks into the monkey bank. I would like unlimited leaves. The banker laughs. Banks don't hand out credit cards to every monkey. First, they check whether monkey is trustworthy. Has monkey borrowed before? Did monkey pay everything back? Did monkey pay on time? Or did monkey disappear into the jungle every payday? All this information creates something called a credit score. Think of it as monkey's financial reputation. A high score tells the bank, "This monkey usually pays us back." A low score says, "Maybe keep the leaves locked away." The better monkeys score, the easier it becomes to get approved for credit cards, larger loans, and better rewards. Trust matters, even in the jungle. Even after Monkey gets approved, the bank still doesn't trust Monkey with unlimited leaves. Every leaf card has a credit limit. Maybe it's 500 leaves, maybe 5,000, maybe much more. It's simply the maximum amount Monkey is allowed to borrow. Once Monkey reaches that limit, the card stops working until Monkey pays some leaves back. Just because Monkey can borrow thousands of leaves doesn't mean Monkey should. So why do monkeys even use credit cards? Because when they're used correctly, they're actually pretty useful. Many leaf cards give rewards. Buy bananas, earn bonus leaves. Buy groceries, earn cash back. Travel around the jungle, earn free flights. Some cards even offer huge welcome bonuses. The monkey bank wants Monkey to keep using the card because every swipe helps the bank make money. If Monkey always pays the full bill, Monkey enjoys the rewards without paying interest. That's how smart monkeys play the game. Leaf cards are also safer than carrying piles of leaves. Imagine another monkey steals Monkey's wallet full of cash. Those leaves are probably gone forever. But if someone steals Monkey's leaf card, they're spending the bank's leaves. Monkey calls the bank. Monkey didn't buy 300 bananas yesterday. The bank blocks the card, investigates, usually refunds the money. Turns out, banks are very protective when it's their own leaves at risk. Of course, banks also love charging fees. Late payment? Fee. Some cards have annual fees. Taking cash out? Fee. Buying bananas in another jungle? Foreign transaction fee. Banks can be surprisingly creative. That's why smart monkeys always read the small print before getting a leaf card. There's one final trap every monkey should know. It's called the minimum payment. Monkey receives a bill for 1,000 leaves. The bank says, "You only need to pay 30 leaves today." Sounds great. But it's not. Paying only the minimum keeps the debt alive. Interest continues growing. Month after month, Monkey keeps paying, yet somehow still owes almost the same amount. The bank loves minimum payments. Smart monkeys don't. The smartest monkeys follow a few simple rules. They never treat the leaf card like free money. They only buy what they can already afford. They pay the full bill every month, not the minimum, the full amount. They keep track of every purchase, and they remember one important rule. A credit card isn't extra money. It's tomorrow's leaves borrowed today. So let's go back to the beginning. Monkey wanted one delicious banana. The leaf card made that possible. There was nothing wrong with the card. The problem starts when Monkey forgets those weren't Monkey's leaves. Credit cards aren't good. They aren't bad. They're simply tools. Used wisely, they help Monkey build a good credit score, earn rewards, protect purchases, and make life easier. Used carelessly, they turn one banana into years of expensive debt. The leaf card doesn't make decisions. Monkey does. So before Monkey taps that shiny little card, Monkey asks one simple question. Can Monkey pay this back when the bill arrives? If the answer is yes, enjoy the banana. If the answer is no, maybe it's better to wait. Because the richest monkeys aren't the ones with the biggest credit limits. They're the ones who always have enough leaves to pay the bill. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this monkey finance lesson, leave a like, subscribe, and join Monkey for more adventures where confusing money becomes surprisingly simple. Until next time, protect your leaves